morning. It is our first full day and our last day in the Big Island. And our first stop is going to be trying to find the green sand beach. So we follow the road to the south point. We're going to be at the south point of the island. Then we have to take a left and go down about 2 miles till we get to that beach. So we're going to give it a shot and see what we got. But it's very beautiful out here. It's like a unique beautiful because there's just a lot of volcanic lava all over the place, and it's just a unique, different kind of pretty. The person in the hoodie says it's a little chilly. It's really interesting just walking out here and just finding random lava flows. It's pretty far away from any volcano also. Ow! And you gotta watch your step when you're walking around here because this stuff would just pop up on you too. If you come to visit the Green Sand Beach, there's going to be some parking. There's going to be 3 porta-johns up there, which was really nice. It was an unexpected surprise. You're going to have to walk about a half a mile down. You'll come up to the coast. Then you're going to take a left. You're going to follow a lava trail for a while. And then the lava trail is going to turn into sand. Now, I do see tire tracks. Everything I read, though, said a 2-mile walk. It's actually 2.1 miles. You can drive down the first half a mile, I found, because there's people down there surfing or surf fishing, and they had their vehicles. I see tire tracks here, but I wouldn't come down here with a rental car, especially if it's not an SUV. And even then, we have a Jeep, and I'm like thinking about tires popping down here and stuff like that because of the lava. So it's really up to you what you want to do. But it is a scenic walk. But it is a 2-mile walk down and back, and then a half a mile walk down and back. So we're gonna be walking about 5 miles. So this beach better be cool. That is a prime reason why I would recommend not coming down here with a car. That's about a 4-foot drop, and depending on what car you have, you're gonna get high centered on it. If not coming down, you will going up. So I just enjoy the walk. I mean, look at the clouds behind me. They're beautiful, right? Let's check out this view. Well, made it to Green Sand Beach. Somehow somebody drove up there, and I don't remember seeing anybody pass me, so I don't know where they came from. But we didn't go down to the beach because, well, you have to traverse the side of a cliff to go down, and we didn't really have appropriate shoe attire to do that. So I was able to get some junk footage because it's not a state park, and he's just been getting some other videos and footage. So beautiful scenery, and I'll be honest with you, it doesn't look green from here. It looks like wet sands. So you want to save a couple hours of your time here on the Big Island and not come to the Green Sand Beach. Look at the drone footage. You'll see it doesn't look green, it looks brown. Either that or I'm colorblind. I'm not colorblind. Well, let's go walk 2.5 miles back to the car so we can go check out the flat sand beach. forget to hit the like and subscribe button, please. It will really help out the channel, and it gives you great access to all the great destinations I've been to and will be going to. Thanks.